you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the silver swag box for August. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so August 2022 box just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys know I am totally loving this monthly box. They do the perfect themes. The items inside are so neat and unique on how they find them, so I'm so excited to see the new theme every single month. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be inside of the August box. Again, I'm always so excited when I see this nice blue box come. I'm like, yes, please, and thank you. All right, that's that. I think I can open it now. Yes. So the top, silver swag box, and the bottom says, sent with love. So we open it up. It says, hello, August. And a sneak peek to inside of the box is right about there. So this month's theme is a walk in the park. How cute. So this is what it looks like. Now on the back of here is going to be a stay connected card. It gives you talking points on how you can talk to anybody that's around you. Somebody could be at the bus stop or at your doctor's appointment, a neighbor, a friend, a family member. It can be anybody. If you want to talk to somebody, they give you some conversation starters. So it says, one of our favorite things to do when the sun is shining is go on a picnic. How do you and your loved ones like to spend sunny days? If it's hot, myself is always inside where the AC is. Do you go on picnics? Did you go on picnics as a child or a teen? What is your favorite outdoor memory? What is your favorite picnic food? What do you like to do in nature? Play outdoor games, talk to others, read a book, or just enjoy the great outdoors? What did you do during the summer as a child? What do you like to do during the summer now? So there's a few different things again that you can talk to somebody, ask them questions, and I really like that the questions and the talking points go with the theme of the box. So a walk in the park is our theme. Again, there is another card here that goes over their social information, and on the back, we'll go over all of the products that are inside of the box. So I will use that as my little reference here. And then again, that's what it looks like. And when we try to move some of these, you can see a little bit down inside. This is going to be a snack. You normally always get some type of a snack and an activity, that kind of thing in here. So this says, I love snacks. So do I. Roasted and smoked almonds. I love me some nuts. Yes, please, and thank you. Ooh, it looks like there's a lot of snacks in this one this time. So you have this. You have a guacamole ranch snack mix. That sounds super good. Does that say guacamole? Yes, it does. Sometimes I see things that are different. So there's that. And the same brand, the Perfection Snacks. This one is original cheddar snack mix. Nice. And we have some more, you guys. Oh, here's some more. It says, enjoy these treats. And one of them says brownie crisp cookies and whipped butter cookies. And those are by the same company here. It says baked with love by Oh Sugar. And so yeah, so you have two different types of cookies, you have two different types of snack mix, and you have some nuts. That's a lot of snacks this month. I don't know if it says anything on here about these. Let's see. Oh Sugar classic cookies. These right here. Every picnic needs a sweet treat. From one of our favorite brands, these brownie crisps and whipped butter flavored mini cookies are made with love. And then these right here, Perfection Snacks, snack mixes. Enjoy these savory mixes that are perfect for summer snacking. Two flavors we love, original cheddar and guacamole ranch. So there's that. It does say plus a free surprise bonus snack just to celebrate Silver Swag Summer. Hashtag Silver swag summer. So here would be my fun bonus surprise snack. So that's why there's so many snacks in this box. But that is really cool. More snacks, the merrier, I say. Now we have is, ooh, and I actually did receive this same thing in another box, and I do really like it. When I'm outside in the evening, that's when all the mosquitoes and all the pesky little bugs come out. So when I'm outside walking the garden, I'm out with the chickens, anything like that, I love just to put this on my arms, on my face, just kind of put it on areas that are out, so I feel I won't have bugs on me. So far, it seems to be working pretty well, and I like that it's in this type of a container. So I already know this product does work, and I do like it, but this is what it looks like, and it says, wait, is it upside down? Yeah, serious bug stuff. And I think when I first read this, when the box that I did get it in, I don't even know which box it was at this point, but I said serious big stuff. There goes that brain. I was like, nope, that's not big. That is bug. But it looks kind of like a deodorant or like a balm would be. So you roll it up here. And I really like that because it is small enough. I have it in my little area where I have like my bug products, my sunscreens, that kind of thing. So again, when I'm outside, it's right there. I use it. I can roll it on. It just makes it very, very easy. And this would be great even to put like in, like if you're on a picnic and you're out, put it in your picnic basket. If your kids are out in sports, that kind of thing, put it in your sports bag so you have it. It's always great, small, and it's mobile. So I really like that. This is by Serious Lip Balm. Serious Big Stuff. All natural, grease-free, made in the US. This balm keeps you bug-free for hours. So there's that. Great to have, especially this time of year for sure. And especially if they're going, with the picnic theme, you do need that outdoors. All right, so now we have is drink tops, the outdoor drink cover. Okay, so you know what? This is actually a really great concept. I do talk about my man's uncle that comes over quite often because he's normally here probably 2 to 5 days out of the week, unless he's in New York visiting other family. But every time when he comes over, we always make sure, he has his drinks and he's always, set up in his little corner. I even have like cough drops there, his tissues, Advil, like everything's set out in this little corner for him. So I've always noticed when he has like his drink, let's say it just is like a cup of juice, he'll take another coaster and put it on top of it just so, I don't have a lot of stuff flying around, but you never know. Of course, you want your drink to be covered. So he always sticks a coaster on top of it. And I'm always wondering, like, the bottom of the coaster could be dirty though, and you're putting it on the cup. So it never really made sense to me, but I'm like, hey, you know what? If that's what he wants to do, that's what he wants to do. This, I think, is going to be a better concept because you can actually just wash it. So when I give him a drink, I will put one of these on there for him and he can use this instead of a coaster. So same type of concept, but at least with this, like I said, I can wash it. I know it's clean. You're not putting, might have dust on the bottom of the coaster on top of your drink, and that's what you're going to drink from, So I really, really actually do like this concept. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, long story short, I know. Tracy never keeps her mouth shut half the time. But it says fits most cup sizes. So from coffee cups to wine glasses to like beer pints to other ones. And it's a good size. So it'll just go right over. And especially outside, that's great because you do not want bugs in your drink. Especially the small little tiny ones if you might not notice it. It says it seals with a tap. So when you put it on top, you just like tap the top and it'll kind of seal it. That's great. Keeps out debris. And it maintains temperature longer. I never thought of that. It actually would maintain the temperature. That's cool. So again, it just says drink tops. Drink tops tap and seal drink covers. Sip outdoors in peace. Set of 2 BPA-free silicone drink covers. Fits most cups to keep out bugs, dust, and sand. Doubles as a cute drink marker. So yeah, and then you can know exactly, who's, do you got blue or you got pink? Whose is whose? So again, I really, really do like this concept because after he is done drinking, when I wash his cup, I can just wash this and keep that in the drawer. And every time I give him his drink, I can give him I'll give him the blue one. And then that'll be his little topper to keep everything out if he walks outside with it or whatever. But I like that. That is a great thing for indoors or outdoors. And I didn't think that was an actual thing. I saw him putting his coaster on top and I was like, it's genius to cover it because it fits it. But the bottom might be dirty. That was my only thing. The bottom might be dirty. I wouldn't do that. But now we have a better concept. They have you covered for your drink tops. That is so neat. So again, there's that. So now we have, it says the Pink Door Paper Company Black Label Lined Designer Notebook. Pink Door Paper Company Foil Notebook. It says, use this cute notebook to plan your perfect picnic, journal about your summer adventures, and more. If I can get it, where's it? Oh, we go. I can get it open. Okay, so without the plastic, that's what it looks like. It has like all of this silver in there that's shiny. You have this part here that you can just remove. It says to breathe deeply, to live fully, to express yourself completely. All right, and when you open it up, there's the first page, and then everything is just lined. So you can use it as a scrapbook, you can use it as a journal, you can use it as anything you want. Put phone numbers, addresses, keep track of medications, keep track of appointments, keep track of whatever you would like, or just use it as like a scrap piece of paper. Toss it in your car. You never know when you might need to write something down. I have tons of paper and pens inside of my what is it called? My glove box and my center console. Especially like, you know, if you are using this as your little picnic thing, you can always play tic-tac-toe, or you could always use something with, you know, with this, just bring a pencil and you're good. So there looks like there is one more item left in here, you guys. Let's pull this out. We have is this like a lunch tote? Let's see. Yes, it is. Ooh, and that's a big one too. So it's by Viv and Lou, made especially for you. And this one here has pink stripes. I don't know if there's going to be different colors or if they're all going to be pink, but this is what it looks like. It does have the two handles, which are actually nice handles. They even have like this, and then that, it's like in front. So you have this other piece that's stitched in front of it, if I can speak a little better. There's two zippers. Oh, and there's a little pocket in the front too. It has pockets. You have a pocket here. You can put some napkins or whatever you would like. You can put some silverware, condiments, anything like that. And then that is a really good size, actually. It feels good quality as well. And then back inside, it's just all lined inside. That'll be nice to even to wipe out, clean out. And yeah, so you have this really large tote cooler. This is again by Viv and Lou. This is the Cooler Tote. This insulated tote is perfect for bringing drinks and snacks to the park, beach, car, or pool. It's perfect for summer, but handy all year long. Yes, it is. Definitely. And especially any of those things wherever you're going, even if you just put in some water in here just to make sure you're hydrated, a few snacks, it'll stay cold, and you're good to go. So going over a quick recap for this month, you have an insulated lunch tote. You have a journal book. You have these silicone toppers, which are genius. I really did not know that that was an actual thing, and I'm super excited to now have these in my household. You will have some type of a little free item as a treat for this month. And then you will have two different snacks here, and then two different cookies, and then the bug repellent stuff here. All right, you guys, so that is everything for the August box. What do you think? What do you think of the theme? What do you think of the items that they put inside of this one? I just love it every single month. I just love seeing the theme. They go with everything inside of it around that theme, and it's just, I'm just really loving this box. So if you'd like a little bit more information about the silver swag box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that'll get you $15 off your very first box. Send love and stay connected. Our mission is to help busy families send love and stay connected to loved ones with a curated selection of fun and practical items delivered each month. Gifts so fun you'll want one for yourself. Each monthly box is carefully curated with fun activities and items that are tied to a unique theme and designed to delight, encourage conversation, and show how much you care. Boxes include activities, daily use personal care items, conversation cards, and more. So for this one, you get to select your plan if you would like to do month to month. Month to month is $49.99 with free United States shipping. Free shipping $49.99. If you like to save a little bit of money and get an extra perk, you can go to the 6-month plan. Going to the 6-month plan will bring your box price down monthly to $47.49. Free shipping still to the US, but they do add in a little incentive. If you do get a 6-month plan, you get an additional free mystery box with your order, which is a $49.99 value. But that's not all. If you want to save some more money and get an extra free gift, you can go all the way to a 12-month plan. The 12-month plan will bring your box price down to $44.99 per box for that entire year. Free US shipping still. You not only get that free additional mystery box, the $49.99 value, but you get an additional magnetic easel with your order. So that combined is $71.99 value plus the low monthly rate as well. So if you like to save money and get some incentives, you can definitely go to the 6 or 12 month or just do the box to box, whatever you would like, if you would like. Orders placed between the 1st and the 10th will receive the current box, and orders received after the 10th will receive the following month's box. You also can include a personalized note. So if you are sending Silver Swag as a gift, they'll be happy to handwrite your note on a greeting card that will be included in your box. It will be placed right on top, so it will be the first thing that they see. This will let your loved ones know who sent that gift. So yeah, if it is a gift, they will put a handwritten card right on top. So this is a great box to spoil yourself or a loved one, a friend, a family member, anybody like that. So if you would like to check them out, again, SheCrafty will get you $15 off your very first box. The link will be down below. So that is everything again for this particular box. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew.